Hello everyone, you're watching VidBoys channel here, and let's keep the ball rolling of how to make a scratch game, Pong. So as you can see, we did some coding of the ball. We put it on position, and we made our variables of first player points and second player points. And now we're going to do a new sprite, so we're going to hover on the mouse, paint. There we go. So now convert. So text, and they're gonna be white text since we have a black. Darn it, I don't know. I'm just speechless because I'm really tired this morning. And all right, here we go. So we're going to I think we're going to what do we should say? I know. Press space to start, exclamation mark. There we go. As you can see, we have the text here, and there we go, we have the text, and we should put this up over here. Also, if you want to move this text, be sure you click the text. If you click this, accidentally click this backdrop, if you accidentally click the backdrop, it's going to move it and it will mess up the game. So be sure to carefully click on this text to move if you want to move it around. So I'm just gonna put up there, and we're gonna do some coding in here. All right. So I think we should be doing an event. One click show. So if we click this green flag, we want to show this text. All right. And when click, we're gonna click forever. So that means the forever means keep doing this, keep on doing this. Just like block one, we have forever. Put the if stuff in the forever. So we want to keep on doing this. Don't stop it. Just keep on doing this. That means keep moving it. So we're gonna go to sprite 2 forever, and we're gonna do if. So say like if the space key is pressed, So if that's on sensing. If key space is pressed, we want to hide the text. So if we press the space key, we want to hide the text. And we're going to go to events, broadcast. That means we want to say something broadcast. You want to click this arrow, click new message, and you want to say start. Boom. So we'll get into that, the start. So if we press this, as you can see, it still shows. If we press space, there we go. It hides the text. So when it hides the text, as you can see, if we press the green flag, we all know that it's going to show the text since we add the little show block in here. So as you can see, it shows the text. All right, now that's good. So now we could be doing our little we could code our little ball here. Okay, so now here's what we're going to do. We're going to do duplicate this, and forever we're going to keep on doing this. If there we go. If we're going to go to operators, and or we're going to select the or. If touching, there it is. If touching block 1, or if it's touching block 2, that means if the ball is touching these blocks, these players, if it's touching them, we're going to go into motions. We're going to do point in direction, operator. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to do find direction of -1, point in direction of -1, and then turn and pick random I'm gonna put -10. Pick random -10 to 10 degrees. So it's gonna, is it gonna go up or is it gonna go down? So it's gonna go up or is it gonna go down? If it hits this, is it gonna go up or down? So yeah. And now we're gonna play a sound. So as you can see, we already have a sound. So it gives you a free sound called pop. If we play the sound, see, it plays a pop sound. But we don't really need this. So we're gonna right click and we'll click delete. So now you could go on anywhere on YouTube. You could go anywhere on YouTube to find a sound like Pong hit sound. So that's what I do. So I go on YouTube, I click Pong sound, and I export it as MP3. And as you see, I have it. So if you have the sound you wanted, you're gonna go to choose a sound. You could click upload a sound. So it's in my desktop, as you can see, and there it is right here. I have my sound. If I click open, and there we go. It loaded my sound in here. So if I play this, that's what you just heard is the original 1970s Pong sound. So if you play this, that's the sound if it's hit the ball, Alright. So now we're gonna do sounds and start sound right here. So if the ball hits the block, it's gonna play that sound and it's gonna choose whatever it wants to go, Alright, that's good. That's good. Alright, so now I'm gonna go right to the events. So when I receive start, the start forever, and I'm gonna do an if. Ooh, you know what? Oh, you know what? I get it. Hold on. We're gonna need to add score. So say like, what if this ball passed the block? And what's it gonna do? Is it gonna add is it gonna add the points? Is it gonna do something? So that's what we're going to do. So we're gonna go to here. We're gonna go to paint. So as you can see, we have right here. And we're gonna use a line, and we're gonna use a green for now on. So we're gonna use something like this, as you can see. And we're just gonna put this right over here. So we're just gonna put it right over here. So if the ball hits this green line, it's going to add a point to this player, to the second player, and we're going to add another sprite. Not the color, not the drink. And we're gonna, just choose a random one. We're gonna use orange for this one. So we're just gonna make a straight line. There we go. Just carefully pick this up and move it right here. Same thing. If the ball hits this orange line, then it's gonna add the point to that. It's gonna add the point to player 1. So yeah. So as you can see, I don't really know. You don't really need to add the scripts. There's no scripts in here. You don't need to add those scripts right here. So now we're gonna go to the ball. As you can see, we're gonna go to the ball. All right. And we're gonna do when I receive start. If the ball is touching, if it's touching sprite 3, which is the green one, if it's touching yes, we want to make sure if it's green. If it's touching sprite 3, we're gonna go to variables, and we're gonna click change second player points by 1. There we go. And we're gonna duplicate this, and whoops. If the ball is touching sprite 4, we're gonna change a player 1 point by 1. So as you can see, we did that. Okay, that's good. That is Good. Alright. So now, we're gonna do another, when I receive start. So let's move this code over. When I receive start forever. There it is. And we click if touching sprite 5. So what we're doing right now is, let's say the ball didn't hit this line. What if the ball hits the block? Where's it gonna go, you know? So when I receive start, if touching, we haven't put our if dot when, if touching, oh, you know what? What am I saying? No. Okay. Darn it. Okay, listen. So, this right here, we made this. I'm sorry. So, what if the ball hits this green line? Just what if it hits it? Where's the ball's gonna go? That's what we're going to do. If this is touching sprite 3, so if it's touching green line, what's it going to do? Of course, we want this to show it. And we're going to put this ball at the middle, say like something like that. So I'm going to do go to like that. Let's reset that. And we're going to duplicate if, put it down, if spread 4, same thing, you know, just something like that. Alright, that's good. Okay, and, I think we have made the movements of this. So if we press space, I think, oh, right, okay, yes, we forgot something, guys. We actually forgot something. So, another when I receive start, because when I receive start, we're gonna say, you know, go to what? I'm confused. Oh, right, okay. So when I receive start, go to this and set rotation style. So we're gonna go down, set rotation style to don't rotate. So since it doesn't have nothing in there, so do not rotate. And we're gonna do point in direction, as you can see right here. Point in direction. We're gonna do a pick random. We're gonna pick random to 45 through 135. As you can see right here. And we're gonna do control forever and then no, do not leave. And so how many speed, how fast it's gonna go? We're gonna say 15 steps, like, you know, how fast. And we're gonna do if on edge, bounce. So now let's try. It should be moving. There we go. As you can see. Whoop. Yes, there is a glitch like that. As you can see, you guys, look at this. We have made our own Pong. Boom, like that. And if we press start again, this is a little stop button. So that means it should stop everything. So now if we press this green flag, press space to start. Boom. Look at that. That's cool. If we press that, whoop. There should be minor glitches. That's cool, guys. Look at that. Alright. So now since we have made the ball moved to other stuff, you know. So we need to make a limit of how many players, like how many points they should win. So let's think of the number. You know what? Let's make it 10. 10. If any player reaches 10, they won. You know. Okay. So now we're gonna do we're gonna make a. You know what? Oh, you know what? We should save this. We're gonna save this. All right. So this should be it for part 2, you guys. And for part 3, we're gonna make an ending, say like red wins or maybe blue wins. You know. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.